Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good. I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Those two getting married?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
When's the wedding? Do me a big favor.
What's up, guys? I have some very exciting news for you. Today, I actually have a full engagement session because for once, I remember to keep the GoPro on for the entire engagement session. Typically, I just end up forgetting about it and then remembering it last minute and getting just a couple snippets from the engagement session. But today, I have the full thing to show you guys. And then I'm gonna be talking throughout the video too, just kind of explaining my thought process and everything that I was thinking during the shoot. And then of course, showing you the end result. So I'm very excited to share with you, and let's get started. So you definitely want to start every engagement session by just introducing yourself and just, kind of laying down a few ground rules in terms of like posing and just kind of how you do it. There's definitely no one size fits all. Everybody has a different approach to photography in general, but especially working with individuals. And so I suggest you just kind of work with, what comes natural to you and just hone in on that. And here, let's get started. So here's kind of what we're working with. I highly recommend showing the couples the photos that you're taking, at least a couple, especially in the beginning, because this helps to build confidence and the reassurance in what you're doing. Yeah, he's getting it. He's getting it. Yeah. All right, whenever you're ready. And same deal, you're gonna look at each other. Beautiful. So let's do right hand in the pocket. You definitely want to help out where you can, but don't over direct because this is when you get unnatural and really forced looking poses. Man, Bryce, you pose so naturally. Like, you have the hand on his bicep and everything. Like, I love it. I love it. I don't have to say much there. Personally, I like to take any opportunity I can to shoot through cool elements like this to add some interesting depth to the photos. So like these flowers here give off some really cool color. Ah, dang. I got that all recorded, bro. Watch out, all right? All right, and this time you can actually look at me, all right? Okay, 1, 2. Yeah. And then I'll have you even more this way. We're gonna line up right in the middle of this pillar here. Like, just keep, there you go. Turn towards me. Yeah, there you go. Oh snap, bro, she put it down. Challenge has been laid. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good. I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Those two getting married?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
When's the wedding? Do me a big favor. I appreciate you. Thank you.
You gotta hold that up right here, bro. A little closer here. Yeah. Here I had a cool shot in mind, but I noticed this cone was in the way, and since there were officers there too, I decided just to ask before moving it. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm good. Sorry to interrupt. I just want to ask, would it be possible to just for me to move this cone a little bit, just around the corner here?
Wait, you got it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you're fine.
Cool. I'll put it back after.
Yeah, you're fine. Thank you.
Yeah, man, of course.
Appreciate it.
Of course. There you go. Come in nice and close, just like you had. Yes. Beautiful. Man, when you guys see this, it's going to be sick. All right. This is the only time in the entire engagement session that I switched from the Tamron 35 to 150 to something wider, which was my Samyang 18mm at the time. Oh snap, hold up, that's money right there. Give me 1 sec.
That's awesome. Wow.
Not bad, huh? All right, 1, 2. I don't know why I'm counting. You guys don't need to really do anything. Yeah. Make sure your feet are on cue. Yeah, there you go. That's the one. Yeah, bro, that's the one right there. Dude, you guys are superheroes. This is like funny, but also really cool. You look like you're gonna poke her in the eye. Yeah.